Hello, I'm Rachel from AwardForce, and I'm going to show you how to enable comments for judges. First thing you'll need to do is go to Judging Score Sets and open the score set for editing. Comments can be enabled for all judging modes, but in my example, I'm going to work with a VIP judging mode score set. Go to the Display tab, and you'll see a heading Commenting with lots of options. In my example, none of these are selected right now, so let's have a look at how this looks from a judge's perspective. This is the entry for the judge, and these are the scoring criteria and a scoring box here for each one. But there are no commenting options, so let's go back to the score set and enable comments. I'm going to select the first one, Registered Users Can Comment, and click Save. Then reload the entry from the judge's point of view. And as you can see, we now have a comment on this entry field right at the bottom. Back in our score set, there's another option, Comment on Entry Required. And what this will do is it will make that new comment box mandatory. If we leave it deselected, then it's optional. So it's up to the judge whether they want to leave a comment or not. There's another one here, Comment on Individual Scores Invited. I'm going to enable this and save, and let's have a look. Here's the judge's view, and I'll refresh the page, and it's now added comment field next to each scoring criteria. So now they can score that particular criteria and leave a comment on it. This particular comment at the bottom is for the entry as a whole. Now that particular comment field also has an option to make it mandatory. If I select this one, Comment on Individual Scores Required, then that comment field becomes mandatory. If we leave it deselected, then it's optional.